Conversation. Going to the lake. Dad, what are we doing today?
Kathy. Well, it's a surprise.
Oh!
Is it a special occasion?
No. Just a short family trip.
Does Mom know?
Of course. It was her idea.
Where is Mom?
She is at the store getting things for our trip.
I'm so curious. Can you please tell me?
No. You have to be patient.
Okay. Can I help you with anything?
Sure, why don't you pack your swimsuit and life jacket?
I know what we are doing.
You do?
Yes, we are going to the lake.
How did you know?
You asked me to pack a swimsuit and a life jacket. Also, you are pulling out the canoe from the garage.
It looks like I can't keep a secret.
Breakfast conversations. Breakfast at home or the diners.
Lucy. Can you help me with breakfast?
Sure, Mom. Is someone coming over this morning?
Your grandparents are coming.
Oh, how nice. What are we making?
Pancakes, eggs, bacon, and hash brown.
Yummy. That sounds delicious.
I hope so. Your grandfather has a big appetite. I hope there's enough food.
Mom, you always make too much food. It looks like a breakfast buffet every time they come over.
I want to make sure there is enough food. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Should I make freshly squeezed orange juice?
That would be great. Do you know where the juicer is?
Yeah, it's on the top shelf of the pantry.
Oh, no.
What's wrong, Mom?
I'm out of eggs. Tell your dad to go to the store and buy some eggs. I'll start on the bacon and hash brown.
Dad, Mom needs you to buy some eggs.
So that's all for today's conversation. I hope you liked the conversation. If you liked, then hit the like button. And do share video with your friends. And subscribe our YouTube channel for such type of conversation.